If you own an Acer laptop, this file was encrypted by the Acer eData security tool. If you move this file to a new PC without that software, it's locked. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to unlock it. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering EGISENC files with corrupted internal metadata. The EGISENC file extension signifies an Acer encryption file. This format is used by Acer's security software to protect sensitive data on their devices. Files with this extension have been encrypted using a proprietary algorithm, rendering them unreadable without the correct decryption key or software. This ensures confidentiality and prevents unauthorized access to the information. The specific encryption algorithm and key management techniques used for .egisenc files are typically proprietary to Acer. The encryption process transforms the original data into an unreadable format, scrambling the bits and bytes according to a complex mathematical formula. Decryption requires the correct key and the Acer security software to reverse the process and restore the original data. Technically, the best program for EGISENC is usually Acer encryption software from Acer Inc. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows provides no visibility into the data, so decrypting must be done with compatible tools. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your EGISENC file and choose Open With. Test Acer encryption software first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If you still can't open the EGISENC file, it's okay. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, use Egis software. Open the file using the original Egis software, often related to security's fingerprint management, that created the encrypted file. Next, provide password/credential. You must provide the correct password, key, or biometric credential to decrypt the file. Finally, check version. Ensure the Egis software version is compatible with the version that encrypted the file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.